उचित दूरी बनाए रखनी होगी हम सबको. You know, whatever we saw on that big screen is fabulous. फाड़ू है वो एकदम. Talk to us about that scene when that was explained to you, please. जिससे ये सब शुरू होता है. What did Aditya sir tell you? How was it? And the complexities. Talk to us about that.
Firstly, good morning everybody. Wonderful to see all of you here. And thank you all for coming. मैं ज़्यादा सीन के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता because I'll tell you what. प्रोसेस के बारे में बात करना, सीन के बारे में बात करना, डायरेक्टर और एक्टर क्या सोच रहे थे. जब मैं ये सब बातें करने लगता हूँ तो और अपने आप को सुनता हूँ तो मुझे खुद मैं अपने आप को बोरिंग महसूस करता हूँ. तो वो नहीं करूँगा. बट टुडे इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डे. इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे क्योंकि अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म हैज़ बीन मेड एंड दैट इज़ दिस फिल्म धुरंधर. थैंक्स टू दिस मैन आदित्य धर. वो पेपर पे जब उन्होंने ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी, इतनी एम्बिशियस फिल्म को बैक करने के लिए you needed somebody like a Jyoti and a Jio, and without that none of us would be here standing here. Okay, and जो भी लोग जुड़े हैं इस फिल्म के साथ, मैं आज उन सबका गुजार हूँ और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा उन सब लोगों को. फ्रॉम द हेयर मेकअप टीम, कॉस्ट्यूम टीम, art department team, cinematography team, okay, the music team, all the actors. Aditya has made us look so ugly in this movie. Thank you so much. कि कोई हमें पहचानेगा ही नहीं because we wanted to look the most handsome on set. But the process all of us had to take. Everybody had to bring their triple A game to this film. And Ranveer, what he did for 2 years, I've seen this man. I mean, wow! I have seen him. I'm so proud of him because it's not easy. What he did. I did not see Ranveer even once in the frame. It was always Hamza, and you know that was incredible. Okay, Maddie. It's the first time I'm working with him. Unfortunately, we don't have any scenes together. But I remember the first day I went to Dhurandhar set was in Bangkok. और बारिश हो रही थी बाहर और Maddie was shooting और मैं गया बोला ये कौन है एक्टर यार, कमाल का एक्टर है, बड़े अच्छे से डायलॉग वगैरह दे रहा है. मुकेश ने अच्छी कास्टिंग की, मुकेश तो कमाल की कास्टिंग करती है. ओके, एंड it was Maddie. I didn't recognize him. He's phenomenal. Okay, in the film. मेरे दो भाई अक्षय और संजू सर, उन दोनों का वीज़ा नहीं लगा तो वो नहीं आ पाए आज. But I miss them. And they both. Akshay is absolutely mad in the movie. Sanju sir is phenomenal. Okay, Rakesh sir, you have been brilliant. Sarah, you had the best launch. And if I'm missing out anybody, I'm really, really sorry. But really, I want to thank this whole team for giving us something very, very special. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Jyoti, once again. This movie is a movie which is going to go on timelessly for ages. हम चले जाएंगे ये picture रहेगी.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, R. Madhavan. Mani sir, this one's for you. You know, how did it all happen for you? Because this is a mastermind. This is not traditional heroism, right? It's more cerebral. वो सोच रहा है, वो कुछ strategy बनाता है. So for you, how was that first of all? Your approach toward for that character, and at the same time, जैसे अर्जुन सर ने बताया कि when he saw you for the first time, he was like, ये कौन एक्टर है यार? आपके लिए वो stand out moment क्या था इस पूरे फिल्म के दौरान?
Hey, I love you right back. Very good afternoon, guys. Thank you. बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में मैं नहीं बात करना चाहता क्योंकि अभी हमारी फिल्म आनी बाकी है और मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जिस दिन आदित्य मुझसे मिलने आए थे किसी और फिल्म की शूटिंग पे और बहुत जल्दी में आए थे कि मुझे एक नरेशन देना है, आपसे बात करनी है और मैंने इनके बातों को सुनी और रिसर्च मैंने सुनी थी तो मुझे लगा कि ये आदमी कहाँ था अब तक यार, ये नेशनल ऑर्डिनेटर है पर ये कहाँ था. क्योंकि मेरे सौभाग्य में ये रहा है कि मैं बहुत ऐतिहासिक फिल्मों का हिस्सा रहा हूँ, बना नहीं लेकिन हिस्सा जरूर रहा हूँ। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ऐतिहासिक ये होने वाली है, क्योंकि इस फिल्म जब रिलीज होगी तो एक जॉनर ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है इंडियन सिनेमा में खत्म हो जाएगा। और मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि जब मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा था इस लुक के लिए, तो हम काफी देर तक लगे हुए थे, कुछ 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे उस लुक में आने के लिए। और फिर मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था और हमें लग रहा था कि एक चीज कुछ मिसिंग है, बस एक चीज मिसिंग है, जिसकी वजह से एक सिमिलरिटी जो हमें चाहिए थे वो मिल नहीं रहा था। और फिर आदित्य ने आके कहा कि मैडी अपने होंठ पतले कर लो। उन्होंने कहा कि होंठ पतले कर लो, तो पूरे फिल्म में मैंने होंठ पतले कर लो, और फिर जो रिजेम्बलेंस आई है एक छोटी सी वजह से वो पूरा चेंज हो गया। एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैं महारथियों नहीं, मैं धुरंधरों के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ। सारे। एंड फॉर मी इट हैज बीन अ कंप्लीट ऑनर, privilege, and if I may say, shitting in my pant moment, because each one of them is such an extraordinary actor that you have to be very careful about not letting your balls down. Literally, you have to play the game. And for me, I have to thank Mukesh Chhabra for having the vision, and Aditya Dhar for casting me, and Lokesh for making it happen, and to this rocket over here who's standing behind like a tycoon behind, or like a typhoon behind all of us. But like I said, we will say all the thank yous and all the gratitudes once the film is released. We'll get many opportunities, I'm sure, for parties like this. But I have to tell you, it's been a complete privilege to work with all my brothers here who are darlings, and to the super rock star who has invested not just his time, dedication, life. I can't tell you all that he's invested, but I'm going to tell you, Ranveer, this is going to be the biggest payback of your life, bro.
We love you, Maddie sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. जोरदार तालियां अब मैडी सर के साथ साथ, ladies and gentlemen, जो कदम रख रही हैं फिल्मी दुनिया में इसके साथ, इस बहुत ही beast kind of movie के साथ, सारा अर्जुन. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Sarah, welcome. How was it to be a part of this utter madness that we saw on the big screen? ये regular नहीं है, ये हम हर बार मतलब देखने को नहीं मिलता. This is madness. Being a part of this with these wonderful people. Talk to us about it.
Hello. It was an absolute blessing to be a part of this madness, and I think it's every artist's dream to work with. These are some of the most versatile actors in our country, and yeah, I mean, I've dreamt of this my whole life, but now that it's all really happening, I keep sitting with my parents and I'm like, please pinch me, because it's बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. And but yeah, I just want to thank Mukesh sir, Aditya sir, Mukesh sir, and you for giving me this chance. And everybody has just been so good to me. And yeah, जो भी हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है.
I'm going to say that she packs a punch in the film and she holds her own, and अच्छे से she's also one of the dhurandhars in the film.
They were almost, Mukesh had done almost 1,300 auditions. And she was the one, she was brilliant. She was the best in those auditions.
That means not about you, Farah.
Yeah, she's going to be a rock star.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं यार. बंदी. I know, क्योंकि अब जो आ रहे हैं ना वो जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं वही सेंटर स्टेज बन जाता है ना? I know. I'll be talking to him now. Ladies and gentlemen,
I think you are my lucky charm. Thank you for doing this for us, and thank you for being here. Thank you everybody for joining us on this special occasion. All our love and gratitude. Thank you ma'am for creating this grand and glorious launch for what is an insane trailer. That's the first time I'm seeing it. मेरी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. भाई साहब ये क्या था? Sir, it was really something. I'm very proud to be a part of this movie.
Like Arjun sir said, it's not nice to talk about your process and whatnot. It kind of, I feel, takes the magic away. But I'm so happy that I got to be a part of something where we're trying to push for something more. You know, take our cinema to the world. I feel like it's India's moment on the world stage, and we want to be at the center of it and represent Indian cinema on the global stage. You know, it's a complex, layered story with such technical finesse and execution कि आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. I have to compliment the team, Mr. Vikash Naulakha, our DOP, who's not here today, who's created a visual world that's unlike any other and at par with any movie in the world. जब सर ने मेरे को ये कहानी सुनाई, मैं तो हक्का बक्का रह गया. मैं सर ऐसे होता है? मैंने हाँ बेटा, ऐसा भी होता है. It is the most, as the slate says, incredible true story. आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे, and it's engaging, gripping, tense, and entertaining throughout. And what I love about it, it's most rare quality. It's massy without trying to be massy. It is pitch perfect, so the way you pitched it. It is absolutely impeccably credible, yet absolutely commercial. It is that sweet spot that we always aspire for in commercial cinema. I'm so proud to be a part of it. What can I say about the team that's worked on it? Mukesh sir, Sashwat, who's in a very, very rich vein of form, I have to say. They're all here today. I'm missing them, and my gratitude to the team. Guys, sorry for pakawing you with all those motivational speeches on set, but we were really trying to push. There they are, my beautiful team, our beautiful team. I would always like get on the mic and give all these motivational speeches. Chalo yaar, इस बार कुछ करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है, गदर मचाना है इस बार. And of course, the incredible cast, starting with Rakesh sir. Sir, I've watched you ever since I was a little kid, in every medium, on stage, on television, in film, and I'm so proud to be sharing the screen space with you in a film like this. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who's an institution in himself, we are so proud to say that after 49 years of a glorious acting career, I promise you this is one of his most standout performances.
अगले साल से मेरा फिर से पहला साल शुरू होगा.
Thank you guys. And you know, the thing is, and this is for all our cinephiles, it is very easy to tell a complex and layered story when you have an anchor of entertainment like Rakesh sir. You know, you can tell the story, an incredible story, whilst the audience is thoroughly entertained throughout. Maddie sir, I've seen your work growing up right from the TVS Scooty ad. You know, I can hardly believe that I'm in a movie with you. You're an absolute masterclass, sir. Thank you for all the generosity that you showed towards me and your kind words. You know, there's his performances in Mani Sir's cinema. You know, those are the performances that you show. You tell the world, ये ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे actor होते हैं. You are an absolute genius of an actor, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your talent in this film, sir. You really killed it. And teaser level पे आपने देखा था, जब teaser निकला था, सब देख रहे and feedback यही था, यार मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये माधवन सर है, उनका नाम आता है तो पता चलता है, अरे ये माधवन सर है, क्या look है. And it's not easy, 3-4 hours in prosthetics, but sir, what a performance. I can't wait for the world to see it. Arjun sir, that was very, very kind of you to say. I was very, very touched by what you said. आपको पता है मैं थोड़े से funny tales बताऊंगा. ये Arjun sir is known to be the most good-looking man on earth. Okay, but of late people are now understanding his depth and range as an actor, and this look is his presentation. I don't know how you thought of taking him and making him into this absolute monster, sir. वो हमारे सेट पे ना लड़के बोला हाय अर्जुन, मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लुक में भी ये हॉट लगते हो ना, हाय अर्जुन रामपाल है यार. But yeah, sir, the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था, जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया, चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे. कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं चलो. You know, he was just an absolute beast, and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि they are just like a child prodigy. Like एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. I think Sara, it's testament to the fact that you beat thousands of other candidates to land this part. And it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई है. She's so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam sir. You've acted in his films as well, and you've showed your potential. And this is when the world will see you on the big stage, and I'm really, really happy, and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara. Ma'am, आपके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? हमारी अडल्ट फिल्म है. जो भाषा मैं आपके लिए यूज करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं शायद इस स्टेज को शोभा नहीं देगा. आज बड़ा फॉर्मल सा इवेंट है, बट आप you are an absolute beast, ma'am. It really takes conviction of another level to back something like this, a vision like this. And जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में, the process can never be easy. Every step of the way we would face challenges, and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it, and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है. When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion. And it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen? After 7 years, sir is making a film. And he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He's never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you've put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, "यार करना है यार, दिखाना है दुनिया को कि हम कौन हैं." You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion. And you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे करता धरता, the man who made it all possible, put it all together, and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here, and we had it's a big film, we had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100%, because this is a team sport, you see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना, और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much.
Well, that was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. When we sing, Lokesh sir, this one's for you. First of all, congratulations. मतलब ये already ऐसा लग रहा है winner हमारे हाथ में है यहाँ पे, you know. Talking about B62 Studios, ये जो feel है इस film की, that's very international. लेकिन वो intrinsic Indian, you know, values are there. उसका बड़ा ख्याल रखा गया है. First of all, talk to us about that perfect balance.
I think पहली बार जब आदित्य ने मेरे को कहानी सुनाई, तो मेरा पहला जवाब यही था कि हम इसको एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं, और इसको ऐसा करें कि दुनिया में कभी किसी ने ऐसी फिल्म ना देखी हो. तो द आइडिया वाज टू सच्चाई से कितना हम करीब रह सकते हैं फिल्म में. तो ऑल द एफर्ट दैट यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट्स मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द धुरंधर्स हियर एंड हियर. हमारे जो HODs हैं, हमारे जो एक्टर्स हैं, पूरी जान डाल दी है उनमें, और हमारे जो HODs ने दे हैव वर्कड अंडर एक्सट्रीम प्रेशर. आई जस्ट वांट टू अपोलोजाइज टू देम because I know this was a very, very difficult film. We were uncompromising, but these guys have delivered the best. When I first heard the story, Aditya को मैंने पहले, because Aditya when he writes, he never writes with the actors in mind. He only writes the story. My first thing to Aditya was, I think for the lead, Ranveer would be great. He's never done anything like this. He would be. And I mean, it all fell in place. I mean, he's done fantastic job. Along with all the actors, I mean, they've just killed it. आप 5 दिसंबर को देखिए, हम ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहते फिल्म के बारे में, मगर thank you to all of you, the HODs, the crew, and most of all, thank you Jyoti, thank you Priyanka, thank you the entire Geo team for backing this up, for not having possible.
Thank you. So I'd just like to add, before we get to the main person, I would just like to add this about Aditya. So one quote is most certainly true in his case, is that if your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. You know, that could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir and Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today, and it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. You know, bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the major motion picture heroes from the 90s. Copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special. सर आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया, मैं बोल दूंगा तो वायरल हो जाएगा.
एसपी असलम, अगर दगाबाजी की तो मारने से पहले तुझे रंडवा बनाऊंगा. और जमील साहब, आपको खस्सी.
Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Here, let's hear it for Sanjay Dutt Saab and Akshay Khanna. Two of the most amazing actors that we have in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to Geo Studios की यहाँ पे जो करता धरता है, जिन्होंने इससे पहले भी बड़ी सारी जो कमाल की फिल्में उनको बैक किया, but this time for the first time I am seeing Jyoti Deshpande ji a little emotional. First things first, मैम पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ ये एक अलग इमोशन चेहरे पे आया है. Talk to us about that पहले.
Thank you everyone for coming here again. मैं बार-बार बुलाते रहती हूँ, but इस बार it's something else only. I सारी चीजें theoretically बोलते हैं, but one has seen it come to life. क्योंकि real बारूद तो ये आदमी है. He has sort of taken all that fire that was built in him for the last 7 years, and we've been working for a very long time on several stories that he has produced, and he was working on this one, and all that fire, all that angst, all that any words will fail to describe what we experienced. So ये picture नहीं है, हम सब ने कुछ experience किया है बनाते हुए, and we are very excited to unleash it to the world. As an Indian, I believe that movies have a lot of influence, and we sit in positions of responsibility to tell stories that are meaningful and that have a lot of purpose. And this one, while it entertains such that it's going to blow your mind, it also has a lot of purpose, and it makes me proud as an Indian to have told this story. So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. It's now all we look forward to is presenting it to the audiences and let them have some fun.
Ma'am, just one more thing, collaborating and partnering with B62 Studios one more time, and यहाँ पे जब शुरुआत हुई थी उस समय वो क्या विजन थी या क्या चल रहा था कि इसको इस लेवल पे हमको माउंट करना है, क्योंकि people are talking about the international level of whatever we see on that big screen.
देखो अभी हम इनके साथ काफी फिल्में बना चुके हैं, तो हमें पता है कि वो पहले फंसाते हैं, तो पहले वो अंदर करते हैं, पूरा कुछ बताते नहीं है, और जब आप अंदर जा चुके हो, आप फिर चलते जाते हो एक विजन में, बट ये आदमी से ज्यादा प्योर आदमी है नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री। इतना प्योर इंटेंटेड है, his intentions are so pure that he brings out the best in everyone. And you know, Ranveer, I have worked with you on several films, Bajirao, Ramleela, you know, we've had Singham. However, the way you've surrendered mind, body and soul to this one, it's, you know, I mean, we feel it's career defining. मतलब दुनिया उठ के देखेगी, not just India. Well done everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I just want to add to what ma'am said. You know, when a person is so righteous in their intent, you know, when he has a purpose behind telling the story, something great always comes out of it. Or like you, ma'am, I also went along with it, faced every challenge along the way, and he was leading from the front with such passion that it was infectious, it was contagious, and I'm only ever so grateful to you, sir. You didn't, not for a second, did Arjun ki aankh hoti hai na? Oh, that's how you've gone about this film, sir. We were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, you know, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that, you know, our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it in the same stage, I said, sir, ये ऐसी हिंदी सिनेमा में बनी नहीं है. He's like, I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying. तो ये है लंबी छलांग और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss, यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.